You know these teams. On the Red Alliance, it's the Full Metal Kestrels and the Full Metal Merlins. On the Blue Alliance is Singularity Technology and the Fairfield Prep Jesubots. The first round, Red Alliance took the victory. Blue Alliance needs this to force a tiebreaker, or Red moves on to the finals. Semifinal 1-2 is ready. We'll start in 3, 2, 1, go! Unfortunately, Full Metal Merlins was a no-show by the time of the end of the Alliance timeout. Therefore, they are forbidden from moving their robot in this match, according to the referees. Away goes Singularity Technology in the second half of Autonomous, at least showing some signs of life, while Full Metal Kestrels struggle and make it into the warehouse to end their Autonomous.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
It is now 2-1 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Will this be the difference maker in this match? Or are the Full Metal Kestrel, is the Full Metal Kestrels turntable arm going to be enough to seal the deal for the Red Alliance? Currently it is 14-0. Blue Alliance didn't get any points in Autonomous. Fairfield Prep Jesubots trying to release that piece of freight into their shipping hub. They get it a little tangled in their robot, along with Singularity Technology, kind of playing tug of war with their shipping hub. Fairfield Prep once again stuck straddling that barrier. Here comes Singularity Technology, giving them a little push into the warehouse, setting them free. Meanwhile, Full Metal Kestrels working unimpeded on the shared hub. Several boxes already on, tipping that hub in favor of the Red Alliance. 30 to -10. I didn't think that score was possible in First Robotics. Fairfield Prep and Singularity Technology hard at work in the warehouse as the whistle blows for the end game. Singularity Technology lining up for the carousel. They want the ducks. Give them the ducks. Full Metal Kestrels already in position and putting those ducks on the field. 10 seconds left. This could be the end of this round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The preliminary results look pretty conclusive for semifinal 1. We'll have our official results in a few clicks. Results have been committed. Moving on to the finals, it is the Red Alliance, 88 to 11.